It's time for pack 23. Let's go! Tell me guys, what is your favorite Pokemon generation? Is it the most recent ones? The earlier ones? Personally, I'm a fan of the second generation. Alright. Diglett, Drowsy, Bulbasaur. Don't I say? I'm always getting Bulbasaurs, and it wasn't even my favorite. Who even liked Bulbasaur? Come on. My first time picking a Pokemon, it was Squirtle. But yeah, poor Bulbasaur. Let's go. Dratini, Onix, Dragonair, Seadra, Geodude, Reverse, Slowbro, Reverse, and Articuno. Alright, it's a new unlock. Thank you for watching guys, see you tomorrow.